Beans is the easiest way to get a bunch of insights and make a bunch of charts from your data and compare how the different insights and charts look against each other. Say you have a bunch of company data, which I have right here. Usually I'll work with it in Google Sheets and I'll ask Gemini to make charts, but it can only do one at a time, and then you have to insert it and it shows up here, and then you have to go back and forth between different states of your data, and it can really get annoying. In Beans, you paste your data in and you have a chart that kind of floats here. You can scroll through it. You can do things like make new states and manipulate the state, and you can ask AI to do all of this at scale. So we'll take our chart here, add it to the context, and we'll ask, give me a bunch of charts and insights from this data. And it'll think for a bit, and then it'll just start making downstream tables and charts. So it's thinking, it's making a new table downstream, and it's adding functions to this. You can see the functions in the right sidebar right here. So here it's looking at the different statuses of the companies, and it groups them and counts them and looks at the different team sizes based off the status, and it's making a nice pie chart here, showing the different sizes of companies based off what status they have. Obviously, active has a large average size. Yes, I guess this is the total number of companies that are active versus inactive required. Here you can see number of companies by batch. These are YC companies. I just made that chart right there. Top locations, San Francisco is obviously at the top. Next one is no location, then New York, and then London. And you can just keep asking it to make more insights. So I'll say, give me more. We'll move these over here, and it should keep generating more, probably to the right. Now it's breaking down the companies by number of founders. Majority have 2 founders. Some have 0. That's interesting. 1, and then 3, 4, and goes down from there. Top primary partners. Here it seems like there's an issue with the values, but you can fix that very easily. You see the most popular partners. Most popular, there's no partner listed, but then you can see the others here. And the number of companies broken down by status, again. Anyway, as you can see, it's very easy in Beans to see lots of different insights all at the same time. You don't need to go back and forth between different charts and different states of your data. And any changes that the AI makes upstream will cascade downstream. So if you want to filter by location, you can easily do that. You can add a filter, and you can filter by where the location, let's say you only want to look at companies based in Bangalore, and you can see it automatically updating, or San Francisco. Because this automatic updating, you can see lots of the details of your data that you'd miss if you're working more on just automatic code creation, because you can easily take your filter and turn it off, then turn it back on again, see how it changes your data. And as you change it, you can reject, you can do everything except San Francisco. There's all sorts of things you can do with these pipelines that you can't do in regular code generation. But with Beans, it's really easy to see all your different states of data and work with it and work with AI. And if you're interested in trying it out, go to thisisbeans.com and join our waitlist. We'd love to have you.